This video highlights the importance of each stage of the material in the blow-in installation process by showing how the product develops after each step. Remember, always use proper PPE, including an N95 dust mask when handling cellulose. To begin, this is what 100 grams of Nu-Wool Premium Cellulose looks like when taken directly from the bag. The product is compact and dense. Inserting the product into the hopper is the first step in optimizing coverage. The hopper breaks up the cellulose insulation with its rotating paddles and prepares it to flow through the hose. Now look at the 100 grams of Nu-Wool Cellulose after it has been taken directly from the hopper discharge before it enters the hose. Notice how the product consistency has changed compared to how it looks straight out of the bag. The final stage for a fully maximized blown-in product is the hose. It is important to have a rough-bore hose that is 3 inches in diameter and 150 feet long. The hose must have ridges on the inside, allowing the material to continue to fluff and expand as it tumbles along the ridges and through the hose. The longer the hose, the more agitation the product receives, which is why 150 feet of hose is recommended. The final sample shows the 100 grams of Nu-Wool Premium Cellulose in its final fully expanded stage. Notice the difference between the 3 samples and how each step in the process transforms the blown-in cellulose as it moves from the bag, through the hopper, and through the hose. At this point, you prepared the product for optimized coverage. By installing with proper technique, coupled with the expanded product, you will receive optimized coverage. For more information on blown-in cellulose or additional suggested practices, visit NuWool.com or call 800-748-0128.